Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, let me show you how to run Notepad HTML file in Chrome. So what I have right here is a HTML file. So this is what it looks like. I will not be going through the code itself. However, let me show you how we would go ahead and run this. So imagine that we have a .html Notepad code right here. How do we exactly run this? Well, what we need to do is we need to go to our file explorer right here, and what we're going to be doing is that sometimes is unless our .html is not defaulted into Chrome, then we would need to go ahead and run this as a Chrome type. So what that means is we will need to go ahead and right click on this, and then we're going to be going on open with. And then you can go ahead and actually open any browser that you want. So let's go ahead and open this in Chrome. So when I click on this, then as you can see, this will open up the page itself. So the file is right here. It's .index.html, and then this is the actual page running in your Chrome. And there you go. I hope that you have found this tutorial useful. See you guys next time.